Plants often run with separate electrical and process automation systems, creating silos, inefficiencies, safety risks, and higher operating costs. EcoStruxure Power and Process solves this with unified operations, bringing both domains together on a single control architecture. With unified access to both electrical and process data, operators can make better informed decisions and achieve stronger coordination across the facility. This integration eliminates redundancies and simplifies workflows, improving overall operational efficiency. Recovery from trips becomes faster, information remains consistent across teams, and operational decisions become clearer, more confident, and far more effective. Advanced Asset Performance Management uses IIoT data and predictive analytics to monitor equipment health in real time. By identifying issues early, teams can prevent failures, reduce maintenance costs, and improve overall reliability. The key benefits include greater uptime and operational continuity, lower maintenance and lifecycle costs, simplified operations through integrated systems, and improved workforce efficiency and plant safety. EcoStruxure Power and Process delivers faster, safer, and more agile plant performance, empowering teams to run operations confidently and sustainably every day.